Hey friends, it's Aaron from Crystal Fonts again. This time we're taking a look at this sweet little sunlight-readable 2.4-inch IPS touchscreen TFT display. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, stay tuned.
We have a display for that.
First off, we'll have this display in a few varieties, including a capacitive 5-point multi-touch screen, like this one, no touchscreen, and a resistive touchscreen. Let's talk about the technical details of this full-color display. It utilizes the BridgeTech FT811, which provides graphic acceleration and easy graphics control, which I'll talk more about in a bit. It has a 5-point capacitive touchscreen, which is excellent for gestures like pinching. It's sunlight readable, so you can see the display even in glaring sun or lights. It's SPI interface, which allows for simple wiring, and it's IPS, so you can view this display from any angle. The PCB has 4 256 thread mounting standoffs for easy mounting into your design and a super sleek black bezel. It has a 30-pin flat flex ribbon cable and ZIF connection to simplify your wiring. The EVE Graphics Accelerator has many features you can use. It supports multiple widgets for simplified design implementation. It can recognize touch tags and track touch movement, automatic anti-aliasing of primitive displayed objects for higher quality graphics, graphical effects such as alpha blending, shadows, transitions, wipes, etc. A programmable interrupt controller which provides interrupts to your host MCU. Has a mono audio channel output with wave playback and built-in sound synthesizer. It supports playback of motion JPEG encoded AVI videos, plus PWM output for backlight dimming control. As I mentioned previously, we have this module with a multi-touch capacitive touchscreen, resistive touchscreen, and no touchscreen. We also have them in a complete development kit, which includes the display, EVE board, a breakout board, and a Arduino 4.2, all wired up and running our demonstration code. I'll link them in the description below where you can see their product pages, read the tech specs, see our pricing, download the datasheets, 3D models, and more. And as always, if you have questions about this display or any of the displays in our inventory, feel free to ask in the comments below or send us an email to support@crystalfonts.com. We're always happy to help or help you find the right display for your project. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe for more.